So today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy November Glam Bag, and so I'm very excited. This is my first subscription of it, or like my first bag. So now I'm going to open it. I'm very excited. Okay. So the first thing is it gives you, win a 1-year subscription, and then it has a 30% off coupon for Michelle Phan makeup line. And this is what the bag looks like. It's like a metallic kind of color. So the first thing that I got is this star looks, I don't know, and it is in this like metallic silver kind of color, if you can see that, and I'm pretty sure it is in the color Topaz. So yeah, that's the first thing. The second thing is in Michelle Phan Lash Gallery mascara, and I'm really excited about this. I've been wanting to try mascara, but I've never got such a and it's in the shade but I do not think it is the one. So the next thing I got is this Galaxy Chic by Cosmetic Beige eyeshadow, and it is in the color Neptune. It's like royal blue kind of color. I don't know if you can see that, but it seems like a very pretty. So the next thing I got is this bombshell Lip Crayon, and it is in the color Shameless. And it is a pretty lip. So like if you rotate it up and down, it's just this like red kind of color, and it has like shimmer in it, so it should be it's this like, let me open it up and see. It's just this kind of like baked brown color. It looks like exactly how it sounds. It's just, yeah, I don't want to show it because I'm afraid it'll like fall. So the last thing that I got is this Nailtini nail polish, and it is in the shade Champagne, and it is just a it's like a bronze, like a metallic kind of bronze color. I think that should be like really cool to use. So yeah, that's very exciting. So that is it for my Ipsy bag for the month of November. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.